And so we are now having to make greater use of our third line of defence, hospital care for those who are sickest. And of course, the UK is not alone in seeing this increase. In recent days, both the Netherlands and France have seen record highs in their daily figures for new infections, with France now seeing an average of 18,000 new cases per day. The Pasteur Institute, a respected French institute, has recently said that without new restrictions, 11,000 patients could need intensive care across France by the middle of next month. And last week in Paris, health authorities ordered hospitals to activate emergency measures to cope with fast rising cases. Around 40% of hospital intensive care beds in Paris are now occupied by COVID patients. The Spanish government has declared a state of emergency in Madrid, with over 3,000 COVID patients currently in the capital's hospitals, with around 500 in intensive care, meaning about 40% of the region's ICU beds are occupied by COVID patients. Unfortunately, we are also starting to see similar pressures building in some parts of the United Kingdom. In fact, we now have more patients in hospital with COVID-19 than we did before the government announced restrictions of March the 23rd in the spring.